What about meatloaf for lunch today? I will prepare this recipe that my all family enjoyed, and the most fun part is that I used all good ingredients, and my family didn't notice the difference in the taste of eating this healthy meatloaf and the American style meatloaf. You can cook and freeze for the week and your kids will just love it. I start to cut the mint. For this recipe, I used 2 tablespoons. And then cut the cauliflower already boiled as a rice cauliflower, but please don't do as I did. I boiled it a little bit more, and for best result, just boil it like al dente. I used a bunch. The ground beef, I like to use 94% lean. This recipe I am using 1.5 pounds. And also I add 1 onion minced. For seasoning, I like to use Mr. Dash chicken, Mr. Dash onion and herbs, garlic powder, and black pepper. Now combine the cauliflower and mix well. Instead to use a spoon, it's better use potato pusher and a large bowl, because mine it was too small for it. Combine 3 tablespoons oat flour and incorporate to the meat mixture. Add the mint. And mix until well blended. Don't forget to salt. I used 1 tablespoon. See if you need more seasoning and adjust to your paladar. Also, I used a bunch of green onion chopped, and in this time I will preheat the oven on 375 Fahrenheit. Add meat mixture to the rectangular loaf pan. And gently press meat down and shape evenly.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
The secret of this meatloaf is the cheese. So, if you are not in a restricted diet, add your favorite cheese. I am using Havarti cheese because it has less carb, but with white American cheese will be just perfect too. And then pat more meat mixture on top of the cheese. Now it's time to bake uncovered for 45 minutes to 1 hour or until thoroughly cooked in the center. You can check if it is well cooked with a knife on the center or just insert oven-proof meat thermometer. With remaining meat mixture, I will make small almondigas for the kids. They love it so much. Just to make sure to make almost the same size of balls. This way we'll bake all loaf in the same time. And now I will make more small almondigas to freeze them for me and for who has Family, it's so easy to have some healthy choice of food when you don't have time to cook right away. I like to use press and seal wrap food, and after frozen, I just take away and put them in a food container.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
My meatloaf took 45 minutes on the oven, and this is the texture, softy and tasted so good. Also, almondigas took the same time to cook. I really hope that you can make this meatloaf recipe for your family dinner, and see you next time.